I'm speaking with George from SoftLayer Technology. Thanks for coming to our WHIR Lounge. Appreciate
I'm
it.
glad we could do it.
Yeah, so I mean, this is basically the last day of the summit. You've been a busy guy. Explain to me first, to begin with, what is SoftLayer Technology?
Sure.
What are you and what do you do?
Well, SoftLayer Technology is pretty simple. We're a virtual data center provider, which means, in essence, we've outsourced and manage all the elements related to a data center. We've fully automated it, and we deliver it in a real-time basis for anybody that needs servers, storage, network, security.
And where are you based out of?
We're based out of Dallas. We have facilities in Seattle and Washington, D.C.
And you're an owner of this business.
I'm one of the senior management team there, that's right.
And so what do you think the future holds for your company in terms of growth? What do you plan on doing?
Sure. Well, we see a lot of growth in just who we are today, but our model is to continue to innovate. That's really who we are. So we're going to continue bringing new products, new services to the market. Our model is one where we bring enterprise-grade solutions to everybody. So we really spend a lot of money, a lot of time and resources on developing leading-edge technologies, and we integrate all of that and we empower the customer to use all of those services.
So what kind of, you're talking about leading edge technology.
Yeah.
So can you give me an example of something you've developed or implemented in the last 4 or 5 months maybe?
Sure, we've in the last, say, let's go back 6 months, we've added quite a few products. We've enhanced our storage service with some new services that take advantage of the geographies we operate in, so we can actually store your data in any of our data centers and copy it between those data centers. We've added a CDN product, so you can actually distribute the content broadly across the internet. And all of these are done real time and on the fly, so you don't have to worry about long installation periods. Some of the other things we're looking at going forward are cloud products. So we think we're already a cloud in the way we deliver services because it's pretty much real time now. But we're looking at a cloud storage product that should be coming out in the next few weeks, which will allow you to actually share files with friends, with family, with business colleagues. And then we're working also on a cloud computing product, which is an enhancement to what we do today. Will be tied to our current environment, so you can actually manage a cloud system through our portal and through the existing servers that we deliver to customers.
So it sounds like business is really developing quickly. I mean, do you feel any of the pinch from the economy at all yet?
Well, we're only a 3-year-old company. Last quarter was a record quarter for us from a sales perspective, from a new customer perspective. We actually went profitable in Q4 as well, which was a nice change, especially in the economy that we're in. And we see, January was a record month. It was our busiest month so far in our 3-year history. So we see that there's an impact, and we're doing everything we can to help customers. So if they're struggling a little bit, we're doing what we can to make sure that they don't have to worry about what we're delivering. But we still see a solid growth opportunity in the business.
It does feel like this industry, I mean, I don't want to jinx anything, but it does feel like this particular industry might be safe from all of this. What are your opinions on that?
Yeah, I think, I hate to say we're immune to what's going on, but I think we are to a certain extent because our model for this entire industry is one where you can eliminate a lot of upfront cost and still get all the services and solutions you need. Our model is month to month. So you can buy a server, you buy the services you need, you run it, and then if your business grows and you're doing really well, you can add to it, and you haven't put all that upfront money into equipment, you put it into marketing and sales and all the other things you really need to grow your business. And then if your business doesn't do as well, you can scale it back and kind of hold out and be a little more frugal, let's say, in a really tough economy.
You've enjoyed the summit?
It's been great, yeah. This is my 2nd year attending this. We're a sponsor again this year. We really enjoy it. Perilous is great.
Doing some gambling?
A little bit, yeah. It's hard not to in Vegas.
I know. What's your game? What do you like?
I like to play poker and a little bit of blackjack.
Really?
Yeah.
Good. And are you going to leave here, are you going to leave here level, up, or down?
No comment.
No comment. Good work. Okay. Thanks, George. Really
Thanks
appreciate
for the time.
it. Yeah, my pleasure.